Today I want to share with you a quick review of a new book by Robin Finn called Heart, Soul, Pen. Find your voice on the page and in your life. Before I go too deep, let's say what this book is and isn't. This is not a book about writing craft. It's a book born from a series of workshops and courses that Robin, the author, has led with women. It combines memoir with writing advice and spiritual psychology and self-actualization advice. So it's really focused on women because not only do women have the usual imposter syndrome and resistance that all writers face, but they may often carry other extra limiting beliefs about expressing their voices. And Robin seems to be passionate about helping women get around this. So this book will be really valuable for anyone who really wants to do more writing, whether you're an experienced writer, but you want to tap into more creativity and self-expression in your writing, or you're someone who's waiting around for permission and inspiration. This book will get you past that waiting around. It has 3 sections, as described in the title, Heart, Soul, and Pen. In the Heart section, she helps you through the limiting beliefs that may be keeping you from expressing yourself in writing. In the Soul section, she offers a lot of advice for how to tap into your creativity and your voice with really useful and fun, fast writing exercises. Now, I'm a big fan of free writing, so I really enjoy the exercises and admire the way that she frames them here. And the Pen section is finally about what to do with the things that you've written, how to look at them with discernment, decide what to share, when to share, how to share. My favorite quote from this section is this: "External validation is fun, but it is not the truth." Here are a couple things I really enjoyed about this book. First, she offers a really useful framework for offering constructive, strength-based feedback on writing called the TIDES framework. TIDES stands for theme, images, details, emotions, and structure. That's a really great way to look at and assess a piece of writing, is to pull out those elements and see what's there. We can use this framework looking at our own writing, or we can use it as a generous way of showing other writers how their work has landed with us and what we see in it. So I love that framework. I also really enjoy the quick writing exercises that she offers, and the examples that she offers from people in her classes who have done these things are very inspiring. So if you want to enliven your personal writing, if you want to work on personal essay or a memoir and want to dive deep first and really find what you have to say, if you're as interested in writing for yourself as you are in writing for others, I think you're going to find this book very helpful. Check it out and let me know what you think.